Welcome to this short presentation video where I will explain more about how you can upgrade old downlights with new modern LED technology. Sometimes you will have to change the whole downlight to a new LED downlight. That goes for some projects, but some other projects you maybe have a need of just upgrading because the downlights is of great quality, and you will be able to just upgrade with an LED insert, or you can even upgrade with an SFL LED bulb. We do not recommend the last one because that doesn't really give enough lux level, so we either recommend to change the whole downlight or you can use LED inserts. Now for the LED inserts, I just want to show you an example on what we did here. So first of all, we did the AI process where we was just cloning the existing downlight, and then we were able to manufacture the LED insert with the heatsink on the back side, and then we basically just had a very simple solution where we have the cylinder here, and then we added in the front a front glass where you could have it like this. And then we had a little front here where it's basically just holding this front glass in place. The lumen per watt was impressively high, which also means that the energy savings that they got from this setup here was quite unique. They decided this solution because they wanted to have the existing downlight in place. They do not want to change it, and the installation way was quite fast, which also means that the overall installation costs was a lot lower compared to if they had to install new downlights. So in this specific project where we have delivered an LED insert for downlights, then the return on investment was quite unique compared to installing new downlights. If you have any projects where you have downlights, consider this solution. We can do it with all types of downlights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.